की खूब और का बातें से टीवी।
ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Ka khubor ka bakamen ni kinong Thied Scooty thamai. Benda ka kenti ka Frank Yamaha ka lapin mana. Ika Behdienkhlam scratch and win offer. Thied de ka Scooty bathamai pinyo eru ika nuko song jing ai sngoba kat kum ka nusip jong phi da ka long ka fridge ka television ka washing machine ka tablet bat kiwe de ki Tiar ka phila wan pidan kam manna ka singi. Wat pen slam shu Thied no klo ya ki Scooty bathamai namar ba kan ka jing terwa kan terekam tang nadu ka shitare ku naitung hadu kalai poetry ku naitung arajar arposan.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.